Alright everyone, so last video I said this.
Interesting.
Alright, next video, shotguns only.
Yeah.
That probably won't happen.
And I thought about it, and yeah, I really want to do this challenge, so here we are. I'm doing it now. So let's see how this goes. This might end terribly. I might like be the first one to die, but let's try it out. And with the shotgun only, I'm able to use anything, like material-wise, heals, ammo, and I'm only allowed to pick up shotguns as my weapon. No ARs, no SMGs, no snipers. Last video, I forgot to switch my microphone to the correct setting, so I know the way I'm talking sounds pretty bad on the last video. But it was a fun video to make, so I decided I should keep it. And I fixed the microphone now. I would try to explain it, but it wouldn't really make sense unless you see all the settings that I have. Let's hope I can find a shotgun. Finally! Yes! Oh my goodness. That was absolutely terrible. Okay, lesson learned. Do not switch shotguns in a fight. I probably should have remembered that double pump hasn't been in the game for a very, very long time. I wonder if I should just try and get like a all rarity shotgun thing. Like I get a gray tack, a green tack, etc. until I get to legendary. That'd be pretty cool. The only problem with the idea of getting the all, like the rainbow colored loadout is that I won't have any heals. Hi, pal. Wait, this is not a time for you to miss your shots. Okay, there we go. Not too much damage. How am I left with one shield? I probably should have stayed to look at the loot he had. But he had a charged shotgun, so unless he's crazy like me, he shouldn't be carrying other weapons. Wow. That's all I have to say about that. If you've seen Forrest Gump, you would get that reference. What are you doing? Okay. That was not good. Oh my goodness, that's not good at all. Okay, I don't know why he would try and pickaxe me, but it didn't work for him. Wait, I can take that. Haha! There he is. Why me? Why me? No, 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 no. Oh, whoops. I have the high ground done again. It's over. Actually, it might be over for me if I keep building like this. I played a Zone Wars map that had like all these like Peace Control Kyle catchphrases. I should use it on this guy. Walks like a fish. Oh, they're stupid catchphrases, but nah. Why did I fall down? No, 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 no. Oh, so you're the heal off kind of guy. Not today. Really, you're gonna... Yeah, I think I lost this one, guys. Not bad. Darn it. My bad. But that was a fun video, so yeah. Goodbye.